Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a very exciting product for you guys today. This product is from a super brand, literally. And I'm talking about the protein wafer bars from Super You. And this brand is founded by none other than Ranveer Singh. Yes, you heard that right. Ranveer Singh का खुद का protein brand है. But the big question here is, are these products a complete celebrity hype only, or are they actually worth your money? We'll find out in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Now each of these bars retail for ₹60 and I've got the super fun flavors: chocolate, choco peanut butter, strawberry creme, coffee and cheese. Yes guys, cheese. Protein flavored wafer bar. That's a bold move and I'm all here for it. Now what's got me interested in this is 10 grams of protein, no added sugar and no palm oil. It's all a very big yay, you guys. I'll explain you why. Now 10 grams of protein, that's pretty wild and bold for something that tastes good. Like if getting this much protein was that easy and tasty, we'd be all crushing our goals. And how? Now when they are saying no sugar, they absolutely mean it, but they have replaced it with something better, that is maltitol. Maltitol is a nature identical sugar alternative which gives you the sweetness of sugar with just the half calories. But here moderation is the key, because if you go overboard, maltitol can have laxative effects and we do not want that. But in just one bar, it's absolutely fine. It is way better than loading up on the refined sugar. And there's no palm oil. Love that. Instead of palm oil, they are using coconut oil in this product, which is a big yay for two reasons. Firstly, it's absolutely safe for your body. And secondly, it's also very eco-friendly. So we love a brand who takes care of our health and planet. Okay, now बहुत ज्ञान हो गया. Let's get on with the tasting. Let me just open this, and I love it. And how? Let me just open this one. I cannot wait to try it. It smells so good. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the bar looks something like this. Just remember to chill this before you eat. I'm going to dig in. Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot believe it doesn't have sugar in it. It feels so natural and tastes so yummy, you guys. Oh my god. This is amazing, you guys. You need to try it. Wait, let me try the next flavor. I am skeptical about this. Let's just try this. What? Guys, cheese popcorn is my absolute favorite, but this has beaten that. It tastes so good. I cannot believe it. A cheese flavored protein based wafer. It's crazy, you guys. And all these wafers taste so good. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. The sweetness in this feels totally natural and the wafer texture is absolutely amazing. It's just wow. I've tried all the variants and this chocolate one has to be my absolute favorite one. This one hits all the right notes and feels like proper dessert, not a healthy snack at all. I am honestly impressed. This is a protein bar that doesn't even feel like a protein bar. This is indulgent, fun and clean. This is perfect for anyone who wants something sweet after the meals or snack options in between the meetings that doesn't mess with your health. So I'm going to go ahead and give this product a good 9.5 out of 10. Yes guys, you heard that right. And what's missing in that 0.5? Just a couple of things. Maybe they could come up and experiment with more flavors like hazelnut mocha, salted caramel, or even a mango cream. And maybe they could launch a mini size of these wafers to control the portion size. Otherwise, this product is absolutely amazing. I love it. If you're someone who needs their daily sweet fix like me and also wants to stay healthy, then these bars are absolute game changers. Go grab them now and drop in your favorite flavors in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such fun and honest reviews. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay super. Bye.